Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. Hope you all had a great trading day yesterday. And we'll start with SPX cycle analysis. We'll review all major indices, including NASDAQ. We'll review crypto. We'll review all the other major FANG stock. And at the end, we'll wrap up with FANG stock. Please hit the like button, guys. I would really appreciate. Hit the thumbs up button. Just takes 1 second to hit the like. And share this channel with your friends and family. All right. So start with SPX chart. Look at this yellow cycle. Okay. So where we are now in the topping process. Focus on these arrows, focus on my cursor, looking for this top to happen. Got a 8 count sell signal yesterday, and maybe we'll get one more, and then we're looking for a drop. So you can see every time we get 8 counts, we can get maybe a higher 9 counts, and then we get a drop. And same thing reversal. When you get a 7 and 8 counts buy signal, we pump. All right. So you can see 8 counts here, dump, and then go here. 8 counts here, 9 counts here, dump. 8 counts here, dump. So looking for a dump and or like a flat for next couple of days and then a weakness coming from here to till the end of June. So keep that in mind. And also I want to show you on SPY. Here you go, SPY. There is a gap up which happened a couple of days ago, and that gap is here around 537 after CPI day. Probably they're going to come and fill this gap. They're very close to filling this gap pre-market. If I go to 1 hour chart, you can see here from where we are right now. This is pre-market. The gap is only 0.61% away, so they can do it like maybe in like matter of minutes. Just dump and fill this gap and then go higher. All right. So keep that in mind, and let's look at side by side. The left side is MES chart for day trading only for today's trade, and right side is for swing trading daily chart. So red lines are sell lines, green lines are buy lines. We had a nice dump from sell zone to the buy zone on MES chart. Nice dump, 0.82%, and we touched buy zone this morning around 7, and now we're in the neutral zone. All right. If you want to know more about this, join the channel and let me know your user ID. There's a join button in the description of this video, and I'll add you to members only group where I share my trades, the trades I'm taking, and I also share the levels every hour for all the major indices and the stocks you like. All right, so that's for MES. MNQ, same story here, came closer to sell zone, and now going here, AVGO earnings was really pumping the market, and then they eventually dumped, and right now it's in the neutral zone. And MNQ daily chart, same thing here, 8 count sell signal on triple Qs. The gap is all the way down to 467. I don't know if that can be filled. That's going to be a big dump for all the tech stock. We'll see what happens. All right, let's go to Dow Jones. Dow Jones is the weakest in the buy zone. So Dow Jones is in the buy zone, and this could be a lower high before we go higher. So just keep that in mind. This could be, we really need to pump here, but SPX is showing weakness, so that could mean that the Dow Jones is making a new low. But day trading chart is telling me you should not be shorting here. And the Russell 2000, that's also a good trade in the buy zone. This is where you should be looking to buy Russell and Dow Jones because they're going to pump, and this could be a double bottom here in the daily chart. Okay, so we are near previous lows a couple of days ago. This is where I should be holding, and on IWM ETF there was a gap which was filled yesterday. They're opening lower, but I think they're going to recover it. Okay, so they are a massive gap down 1.23% pre-market. As soon as market opens, they're going to try to recover this, in my opinion. So that's also a good trade. Crude oil is here. I kept it here in the sell zone. CNQ is also nice trade in the buy zone, so I kept it here. Also getting a 9 count buy signal here on CNQ. Every time we get that, we bounce. So just keep that in mind. Bounce here, bounce here. So looking for a bounce on CNQ as well. And Tesla up pre-market because shareholder approved the vote. But yeah, let's see. It closed above 180, so that's a good news. First stuff done. Second, I want it to close above 190 and then 200. So I want Tesla to go in 200. So let's see. Short term, it's near sell zone. Yesterday also it opened massively above sell zone and then dumped. All right. So let's see if Tesla can hold and pump. Next gap is 192. On the downside gap is 178. So we'll see how Tesla holds. Bitcoin. All right. So Bitcoin 7 counts buy signal, which is good news. Last time we got 7, 8, 9 bounce, 7 bounce. So we're ready for a bounce on the support. So nothing changed. Green line is below red line. So same thing here. So you got to be careful. Let's see. Bitcoin really needs to have green line go above red line to be a very bullish scenario. Ethereum, same thing here. Ethereum in the neutral zone. Again, 8 counts buy signal. Last time we got 8 counts, massive bounce. So you should be looking to buy crypto here. That's what this chart is telling me and the indicator is telling me. Hang Seng Index, China is down pre-market in the buy zone. So you should be looking to buy. Let's look at major FANG stock. Apple is in the kind of in the sell zone. Amazon was dumping yesterday, today also in the buy zone. Nice trade. There's a gap here around 181, very close to that. Maybe they want to fill that. Google is also in the buy zone. Meta, Facebook is in the neutral zone. Sorry, here you go. Netflix is in the sell zone, pumping pre-market. Microsoft is 7 count sell signal near sell zone. Snowflakes is was down for some reason yesterday, 3% down, but up little pre-market, still very close to buy zone. NVDA is near sell zone. AVGO is in the sell zone. AMD is down pre-market, very close to buy zone, buy below 156. Shopify is near sell zone. Let's look at commodities. Gold is in the sell zone, short term, and trying to make a lower high before reject here, I think. Silver, same thing here. Try to make a lower high and then rejection. Copper is getting towards buy zone. Natural gas was down a little bit pre-market after a massive move near buy zone. Corn is in the neutral zone. Palladium is also in the neutral zone. Soybeans is also in the neutral zone. Sugar is in the sell zone. Wheat is near buy zone. And dollar index at the end DXY coming closer to resistance. So that's good. So if it goes to here, then it's gonna not able to break it. That means it's gonna dollar goes down, Bitcoin and stock market go up. So that's about it, guys. If you have any particular stock you want me to review, let me know. I will take a look, put a description, add a comment in the description of this video, and then let's look at VIX. VIX near demand. So VIX is very close to demand again. So if it sells down today, that means it's getting closer to VIX. Anytime below 13, you got to be alert, and anything below 13, then it means it's getting ready for a pump, and then stock market will dump. Okay, guys, hopefully this was helpful. Please hit the like button on your way out, and I'll see you later. Bye.